Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be packing for a 1-week trip, carry on only using my July luggage. If that sounds interesting to you, please stay tuned. For this trip, I will be packing for my spouse and me in this one luggage. We've done this plenty of times and it works really well for us. I will be packing our winter clothes, so it's a little different than our usual summer packing. This is the July carry-on luggage. It's a hard shell suitcase. It's expandable and it's very lightweight, weighing about 4.9 pounds when empty, and it holds about 35 to 40 liters. I love the minimalist style. It's simple, but it packs a punch. We purchased this for $270 USD and we got it in the color carbon. This is honestly the lightest luggage we own, and even though it has a simple design, it's super functional. So going into the features of this luggage, this is made with an aerospace grade polycarbonate shell, so it's really durable. It has super smooth spinner wheels that glide effortlessly over any surface. It has YKK zippers, and it also has a TSA lock on the side. It has this telescopic handle on the back, and it has one grab handle on top. Let me open it up and show you what it looks like inside. So this is what the inside looks like. It has two mesh dividers, and in here it has a water-resistant, stain-proof nylon lining. And for my vegan girlies, you'll be happy to know that this is vegan friendly. July also has a lifetime warranty, 100-day return, and free shipping. Okay, let's go ahead and close this. And then let me show you this zipper pull here is what you use to expand the luggage. And this is what it looks like expanded. And now you can fit 40 liters in this suitcase. I'll put the dimensions of this suitcase on the screen. It fits most international airlines, but just double check measurements and weight limits for whatever airline you decide to fly with. Okay, now let's go ahead and start packing. Hello, different angle. So let's go ahead and start packing. Let's start with clothing. So I will be using the 5-4-3-2-1 method. I followed it loosely and customized it to my needs. So I will be bringing 5 tops, that's including a pajama top, 4 bottoms, including the matching pajama bottom, 3 outer layers, 2 shoes, including the pair I will be wearing on the plane, and this is the pair I will be wearing on the plane, and then 1 scarf as an accessory. The outfit I'll be wearing on the plane is somewhat part of the 5-4-3-2-1 method. So I'll wear jeans that I have in there, shoes, a shirt, the blazer, and then I will be wearing a blanket scarf, and that is just an extra item. And I will somehow fit that into the capsule wardrobe. And because it's cold and snowy where we are, it's absolutely beautiful, but I do get cold easily. I will be bringing a thicker jacket as well as some gloves to stay nice and toasty. I loved how simple it was to pack for this 5-4-3-2-1 method. You can mix and match all of the pieces that you packed to create a beautiful capsule wardrobe. So I did the same thing for my spouse. I did the 5-4-3-2-1 method, and these are our clothes. So hers and mine. And then let's go ahead and pack this up. First, let me put my towel. This is a microfiber towel, and it comes in a 2-pack. Let's go ahead and lay it out flat. And then my disposable bed sheets. If you're familiar with my channel, you know I always bring these whenever I travel. And then let's put clothes. There you go. And then our toiletry bag. This is Travel On from Amazon. And I love how simple it is. We have all our makeup in here. This is our toothbrush and floss and tongue scraper. And then these toothpaste tabs, show you. And then I have our brush comb combo with hair ties. And then these are Olay cleansing melts, and we just use this at night, and then I cut them in half. In the morning, we wash our face with cold water. And in here I have our face moisturizer. This is our day cream. This is Tatcha. And then this is night cream, which is really good if you have dry skin. And this is the Egyptian Magic. And then I have deodorant wipes and a native deodorant, 2 Neutrogena makeup remover wipes just in case we need that, extra pair of contacts, 2 towelette discs, and these are disposable face towels. So that is everything in there. Let me just put that here. And then I will be bringing our bidet. This goes in there. Now let's go ahead and close this side. Okay, and then on this side, let's put our shoes. And then I have my travel slippers, and it does come in this pouch. And I love that you can sanitize these. They're comfortable, and I only wear them in the hotel room. So there's that. And then last item, I will bring this carbon monoxide alarm just in case. Now let's go ahead and close this. So there you go. That is everything that will be going into the luggage. So everything else like the electronics, liquids, documents, day bag, and any other personal item essentials or anything I need easy access to, that's going in my personal item bag. And since I don't have a dedicated video showing you what I pack inside my personal item bag, I will be releasing that video next week. So be sure to check that out if you're curious. But as you can see, this fits quite a lot. So let's go ahead and close it. And there you go. So as far as weight limits for our trip, this one we don't need to worry about that. But let's just see how much it weighs. Okay, it weighs 18.4 pounds. And that is 8.35 kilograms. So there you go. I highly recommend this luggage. The only downside, I think, is there is no grab handle on the side. There's only one on top. So if that bothers you, then this is probably not the luggage for you. But there you go, you guys. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you travel carry-on only and what luggage you use. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!